Did you know that AMADEA means God's love in Latin? Before we start this short video about AMADEA in port of Trondheim, Norway on August 5th, 2024, let's just make sure we are not mixing up some ships' names. Which one is Amira, the Arcadia, Artania, and which one is the AMADEA? This is the former charming Royal Viking Sun, now sailing as Amira of Phoenix Reisen. This is the much newer Arcadia of P&O Cruises. And this one is the stunning classical beauty Artania of Phoenix Reisen, formerly known as the Royal Princess. With the confusion out of the way, let's have a look at AMADEA. She was originally built in 1991 by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in Nagasaki, Japan, as Asuka for Nippon Yusen Kaisha. When Asuka was replaced by Asuka II, former Crystal Harmony, in 2006, Phoenix Reisen purchased her and renamed her the AMADEA. Let's have a look at some facts about the ship. Her keel was laid on April 16, 1990, and she was launched almost a year later on April 6, 1991. She was eventually completed on October 23rd and accepted by NYK in December 1991. The maiden voyage started on Christmas Eve, December 24th, 1991. AMADEA is now measuring in at just below 29,000 gross registered tons. She has a length of almost 193 meters and her speed is around 21 knots. Guest capacity rests at 624 passengers and she has a crew complement of 292. On August 5th, 2024, in Port of Trondheim, when this video was captured, she had come from Bremerhaven and was bound for Rørvik the following day. Built shortly after Crystal Harmony entered service, the former Asuka is like a slightly smaller sister to Crystal Harmony. Crystal Cruises was, after all, also owned by NYK, Nippon Yusen Kaisha.